How to add photo to any background on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Open the app drawer on your device. Select the gallery. Now select any background you want to add to your photo. Here we select this background. Now tap on the Galaxy AI icon at the bottom middle. Now tap the three vertical dots at the top right. Tap add from gallery. Now select the photo you want to add to your background. Here we select this photo. Now tap on the photo. Now tap on a done. Now you can see add photo to your background you select. Now adjust the background photo you want to set on your device like this. You can also rotate the side. Now tap on a generate. Now it will automatically generate background you set on your device. Now adding the missing piece and another object. Now wait until complete the process. Now you can see how it looks amazing. Tap on a view original to show the original photo and add background to your photo like this. Now tap on a save copy. So this is quite helpful feature to add background to your photo using Galaxy AI on Samsung S24 Ultra and other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.